Hi, hello, namaskar to everyone. This is Suma.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
S919248036721. Once again, I am telling 9248036721. For more designs, follow our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And if you want to buy more jewelry and see our more collections, just watch our www.krishnapulse.com. This is our website. You can directly purchase from our website also. Otherwise, you can WhatsApp to our number. Then we will show the related designs. So the first one is, this base is silver on that gold polish. Silver on that gold polish. Complete cubic zircons we are used. These are looking very just like diamond set. See the design, very beautiful design, and we are provided the 7 rows choker. This is off round pulse, but see the luster of the pulse, very beautiful. And in the back side we are provided the dory, so it is useful. Based on your neck size, you can increase or decrease the length. One second, I will remove and show you. See how beautiful is this? Very big pendant. It's something designer piece. This is in rectangle shape, but in flat vertical we are provided this design. Same, it looks like diamond design only. If you go for the diamonds in this with gold, it is around 4-5 lakhs. This is just you are getting in very reasonable price with the earrings also. A beautiful piece. Okay, and I will show the earrings also. See, beautiful studs, big studs. Now big studs are going fashion. Total base is silver. We use pure silver, 92.5 silver, sterling silver. On that we provide the gold plating, not only polish, 22 carats gold plating we provide on this. And in the back side we are provided the pushing, so it is very easy to wear. Push is very easy. So once again look the design. Beautiful earrings and choker, beautiful combination, complete matching one. So dory is present, so size is not a issue. And this is related to only for ladies only, not for gents, this choker. And we will see the price of this one. This is very reasonable price, just 14,000. In the 14,000 you are getting the total set. 14,000 is the price, and this is also not the final price. Please share your numbers. If anybody interested, to our WhatsApp number. Just say hi to our WhatsApp number, then we will give the very very best discount. And if you want more designs, related designs also we will show. Or if you want to do any customization in this, if you want something beads in this, or color stones, or something color pulse, if you want, we will provide. Customization we will do in front of you only, because very skilled labor is here. Those are called as patwas. They will do this work in front of you only. So we go for the second set. This is also very beautiful and simple set. Today what I am showing all are in simple and beautiful sets. See, we are used the orange color stones, light goldish color orange color stones with cubic zircons. Here we provided, there are 5 stones. This is also graduation, small medium big, small medium big, like that. Again we are used the natural freshwater pearls, 5 rows we are used here. See, total milky white pearls. See the shining. These are off rounded pearls, because due to the cast cutting we are used the off rounded pearls. This also we are provided the dory, so it is very useful according to your neck length. You can adjust this according to the neck length. Once we will see the closely. See the pendant, how beautiful is this. See the design, something different. It looks like something arch or temple design. Beautiful piece. If you want any little bit customizations, we will do. If you want to add beads in this, like this. Okay. Namaste Niru madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. After showing the earrings, I will tell the price, ma'am. See the earrings. This is beautiful earrings, complete diamond design work. This is orange color stone and sea jets. Beautiful hanging. This is exact matching for that. Beautiful. It looks like stud and hanging, because flexible is very less in this, so it is very beautiful. This also we are provided backside pushing. You can see pushing is present, and all this push we are provided the pushing only, so it is easy, very easy to wear. Once again closely see. Closely see the choker and earrings, exact matching ones. Beautiful set. And we will see the pricing of this. This price is 10,500 only. This is 10,500 only. Niru madam, this price is 10,500. If anybody likes, please block immediately, because each set is one piece only we have. So after if anybody bought, then it is very difficult to get the second set. Very beautiful simple set, just looks like complete diamond only. We use a silver base, and that 22 carats gold plating we are provided. Complete natural pearls. These are natural freshwater pearls with dory, with earrings. Complete set 10,500 only. And this is also not final price. We will provide the very very best deal. If you like or interested, please WhatsApp to our number. Say hi to our WhatsApp number. Okay, next we will see the third set. This is very very beautiful set, which looks like necklace, not choker. Little bit necklace with green color stones and white color sea jets. Very beautiful. See the green color stone also cuttings. This is drop shape, and see we are provided the drops also here. Very beautiful. 2 types of pendants we are provided here, and here 4 brooches we are provided. And for getting the colorfulness, we are provided the green stones here, green beads, very beautiful one. And here we are used almost round pearls. Round pearls we are used milky white. Dents are also very less. See the beauty of the set. And we are provided the dory here also. Backside we are provided the dory. And in this dory also, this is a removable dory. You can see this is removable dory. Just take the push. So it is possible to change the dory also. This can wear boys also. If you increase the length of the dory, it is useful for both ladies and gents. Very beautiful necklace. Looks like choker. If you want in between red color stone or orange color stone, we will do the customize. But if you want the same piece, this is only 1 piece available. Please block immediately. These prices are very reasonable. These are all new stocks, came yesterday only, so I am showing first. I am giving preferences for online customers only first. I will show the earrings also. You can see beautiful earrings. See the hangings, how beautiful it looks like. This is looks like hanging and stud also. Beautiful with green color stone. It looks like real emerald only, but color stone only with CJs, not diamonds. With gold plating, 22 carats gold plating on silver base. Beautiful piece. Once you can see the matching, this complete exact, this set is exactly matching with the earrings, pendant, earrings and chain, total matching. What I am showing today all are in silver base only with color stones and cubic zircons. On that 22 carats gold plating we are provided, and silver we are used is 92.5% sterling silver. So please hurry up if anybody likes. This is very beautiful set. Let us, we will see the price details. This is 11,500 only. Very reasonable price. This is just 11,500 total set. Very good necklace with earring and removable dory.
Price please.
Namaste Sai Sri madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. This is 11,500 ma'am. This is 11,500. Very reasonable price ma'am, and don't think this is the final price. Please share your number to our WhatsApp. Then we will give the very best deal. Very best deal we will provide. See, complete natural pearls and complete pure sterling silver, 92.5% sterling silver. On that we provide we provide the 22 carats gold plating with complete colorful green stones and cubic zircons. And this cubic zircons also very finest quality ones, equivalent to Swarovski we are provided. If anybody not watching our live program, this is saved in IGTV. Please, after the live program, please watch in IGTV. If you like any product, please take the snapshot and send the photo to our WhatsApp number. Then we will give the best prices and show the related designs also. We have free shipping all over India. See once again, very beautiful piece. We believe customer is our God. Our main motto is customer satisfaction rather than profits. All of you know Krishna Pulse means quality, trust, services and reasonable pricing.
Chokan, do you have Kundan set?
Namaste Chokan sir. Thank you for watching our online streaming. We have choker sets. Kundan sets. We have Kundan sets, sir, but in this live program we are showing only choker sets. Please share your number, sir. Just say hi to our WhatsApp number. Then we will show the Kundan sets. Plenty of collections we have in Kundan, whether you want in gold or silver or with polki or diamond. Whatever you want, sir, you will get. We will show the related designs. If you want video call also, we will do immediately. Please share your number, sir. Next set we are seeing that one simple brooch with red color stone. All of you know white and red combination, it gives the more glow, and on that white color stone CJs, see the glitters of these stones, beautiful choker. In between for highlighting we are using the red color beads, cut beads, we are using also cut beads here. Complete 6 rows choker, this is 6 rows pearls. This also provided with dory, so it is very easy to wear, adjustable for the neck. Once again I will show closely. We are provided three hangings here also, so when you wear it looks very beautiful. This looks very beautiful to our daughters, girls, young girls, newly married ladies. Very beautiful it looks, red and white combination. See the glitters of the stones, very beautiful stones we are using here. These are all made in our manufacturing unit only. These are designed by our designers, and very skilled labor we have. All the work is done here only in our manufacturing unit. So if you want to any customization, we will do. If you want green color stone or other stone, we will provide. I will show the earrings also for this. See, beautiful hanging, simple and nice. Maximum people like simple hanging, so this is perfect for them. Very beautiful, nice choker, simple choker, and simple hangings also. See how beautiful is this. This also used in pure silver with 22 carats gold plating. See here also we are provided the pushing. This is pushings, all we are provided in pushings only, and these all are in very reasonable prices. Just see the combination of the choker and earrings, exactly matching. Very beautiful set this one. This is definitely a worthwhile piece for small functions, birthday parties, evening dinners. Very beautiful piece. When you wear, definitely will get the compliments. We'll see the price details. This price is 14,500. 14,500 only, this total set, choker and earrings. So if anybody likes, please share your number. We will do the very best deal. Don't think this is the final price. We will give very best deal. And all the prices we will add 3% GST also. Please remember that one. Abhilasha. Namaste Abhilasha madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. This price is 14,500 ma'am. This price is 14,500. Please share your number ma'am to our WhatsApp number or this live program number also. Then we will give the exact details ma'am and best price also. We will give very best discount ma'am. And the next set and last set we will see. This is very beautiful choker with 5 rose pearls, natural freshwater pearls. 75% round pearls these are, and in that choker middle piece we are provided the colorful green stones and very big stones, sea jets. This is look like Nizami style. Very beautiful choker. See the luster and glitters of the stones and pearls. This is also provided in Dori, and I will show the earrings. In this we are provided the earrings, very big size earrings. Beautiful, it looks very beautiful. See that it is look like big flower. Upside is small stud. Very beautiful hanging. It looks like stud and hanging. It's definitely a worthwhile piece. Very beautiful piece. If anybody want, please block immediately. These are available only one pieces only. After sold, you will not get the same piece. Similar designs you will get, but exact same design piece you will not get, because we manufacture only one for each design, one piece only we will do. See how matching is this, both earring and choker, exact matching, beautiful. So we will see the price details. This is very reasonable price, and rest of the 4 chokers, this is the very reasonable price for 9,500 only. Very beautiful green color choker with earrings, 9,500 only. So very reasonable price, and below 10,000 choker you are getting means it is very good. So this is also not the final price. Please share your number. We will give the very best deal. If anybody likes, please block immediately. Our team is ready. Just share your numbers, then our team only will approach you. We have free shipping all over India also. Internationally also we have free shipping, but some conditions are there, because in some countries they charge the custom charges. So that's why if you tell your country code, then we will explain what are the conditions. So beautiful choker, once again you can see green color. I will take out and show you. See closely, see how beautiful is this. See the glitters. That cubic zircons are also in very big size. Our design is not compromised in anything. This is looks like same diamond and emerald set choker. Same thing if you want gold and diamonds, it is around above 5 to 10 lakhs. This is very reasonable price, 9,500. Pure silver, 92.5% sterling silver, and on that we are provided not polished gold plating. We are provided 22 carats gold plating we are provided. Backside we are provided the dory, so it is very easy adjust according to your neck size. So what today I am showed is all are in silver base only. All are in silver base, but that is pure silver, 92.5% sterling silver. On that we are provided not only gold polish, gold plating we are done, 22 carats gold plating we are done. So these are very reasonable prices, around 10 to 15,000, below 15,000 these are all available, and those are also not final amounts. If you share your number, if anybody interested, share your number, then we will give the very best deal. Hoping you like all of our designs. Once again I will explain my address, all of you know, but once again I will tell my address. See, we are Krishna Pulse, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. Free shipping all over India, and we have free international shipping also. We will schedule a video call on your request. Our WhatsApp number is 92480-36721. For seeing our live programs and new launch of our products, please follow our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And our website is www.krishnapulse.com. If you want to see more designs and if you want to buy directly, then visit our website. So once again see our designs. This is first choker with complete C-jets, no color stones, with earrings. Second one is beautiful orange color stones chokers. It looks like simple. We are provided hanging earrings. And third is very beautiful. It looks like choker, but it is necklace also you can use, and it is multi-purpose also, ladies and gents, because dory we are provided the dory backside. Beautiful complete round pulse we are used. This is also with earrings. Beautiful set. This is just 11,500. And third is simple and nice choker with red color stones. Red color and white color mixing. It always looks very beautiful. And we are provided the earrings also, beautiful hangings, simple hangings we are provided. And next very beautiful Nizami style green choker with big color C-jets, with big size C-jets we are provided. Total milky white pulse. We are provided big hangings for this. All these are provided with dory. All are used with basis silver with 92.5% sterling silver. And purely 22 carats gold plating we are provided, not gold plating we are provided. So these not only 5, we have plenty of designs we have available. If you want to similar designs, other designs if you want to see, please share your numbers or ask for a video call, request for a video call, then we will show all the designs, because in the live program we have very limited time we have. And one more thing I am telling, actually on Wednesday we will take we need to announce the last week's winners, that we are postponed to Saturday. So Saturday so many customers will present, so we will ask the question also, next contest question also on Saturdays, and we will announce the last week's winners also on Saturday. Sorry for delay. And we have multiple branches. Our first store is in near Charminar. You will get the plenty of collections of pearls there. And the second store is in Hotel Taj Krishna, very exclusive store. We will get very specific pieces are available there. And one more store is in Hotel Novotel, which is present in Hyderabad International Convention Center. And all of you know this is Jubilee Hills branch is very big, above 5,000 square yards. It is surrounded in 2 floors. On the ground floor you will get plenty of collections, good collections in diamonds, polkis and plain gold ornaments. And in the second floor you will get different varieties of pearls, South Sea, Tahiti, KC pearls, Basra pearls, all types of pearls you will get available. And from last year onwards we are launched a silver section also, silver house. You will get very pure silver, 92.5% sterling silver you will get. Plenty of designs you will get. We will take the orders also, whatever the designs you want, we will make and give you also. So hoping today's live you all are like. And one more thing, happy Bakrid to all of you. Today is the festival, so happy wishes for the Bakrid festival. Okay, signing out, Suman. Bye. Dhanyavad.